In this series, we are going to set up simple project from scratch to finish based on our studio pipeline. This is my folder structure. Whenever I got new project, I just copy this default preset here. Let's copy that and paste here and change the name of folder to your new provided name for your new project. In this case, we are going to set up this project as I made it before. So if I copy this name and paste it on this default preset, it makes error because this folder with this name is already exist. So I just cut this default preset copy into this tutorial folder. Now I copy this name and change this to my new project name. Okay, let's see what's inside this folder. Okay, except this major folder, other folders are related to your workflow and the software you used. In this case, I do all my modeling stuff in Blender. Also, I do my UV unwrapping in Blender and also in Ryzen UV. I do my texturing in Substance Painter and sometimes, rarely, I do my texturing in Substance Designer. Also, I have a folder for reference. I put all my photo references here. Another folder called Temp Meshes. If I want to export temporary FBX or OBJ to use it inside another software or I don't know, everything, I just put it into here. And last but not least, the Hubsters folder that is used for exported archive from PackShutter plugin and also rendered preview and other screenshots. Okay, so I explained all these folders that is related to my workflow. For example, if you don't use Blender, you don't need Blender, or if you use Maya, you can make another folder and call it Maya. Okay, let's talk about Major. Major is the most important folder into your folder setup. And if I go into Major, you can see I have two subfolders called Scene and Preview. Both of those are rated with small letters. And in the Scene, I have a 3ds Max file and also another folder called Textures. And in the Textures folder, I have ref.hdr. So, you already guessed that. This is my main folder setup that is need for making archives in Studio Pipeline. And only thing you need to do is just copy this name and rename the major with new one. This is the project name. Also, you should go into it and in the scene, change the 3ds Max file name. I should mention this file is completely edited and all the options are based on our standards. Okay, this is our main folder structure. I make this default preset as an archive and send it to you. But before I finish this video, I want to introduce you to a software called PureRef. It's free and you can download it from the official site pureref.com. This is the interface of PureRef and you can use it to organize your references, and also it gives you some additional settings and advantage for using it in modeling softwares. So in the next video I explain more about it.